So we see how to download a Docker and how to install a Docker. What comes under middleware? So this is the nodes of middleware. Okay, there is a 2 3 nodes are there, and there is a like a copied from this site, so you can go to this site directly, or you can read it from here also. Okay, this is explanation about middleware. Okay, okay. Type of middlewares. Okay, these are the type of middlewares. So only go through what are the different middlewares and use of middleware. Okay, middleware topics is simple. I told yesterday, day before yesterday. I think day before yesterday I explained that one. So in middleware, so what is web server? First of all, okay, what is the static website and what is a dynamic website? Okay, what is EJB? Enterprise Java Beans. What is JDK, JRE, and JVM, Java Virtual Machine? I think some of you guys already know Java thing, so you can share to others if you can explain to others possible. Next, what is a application server? Okay, what is a middleware server? What is middleware? Okay, and what is type of middlewares? What are the different type of middlewares and middleware servers, and what to do with the middleware? And one more point is there. What is JDBC and ODBC? ODBC. So what is JDBC? What is ODBC? And what are the connectors? Those are in a your middleware. Okay. So yesterday, as per Maven, we got issues in Maven because of I'm not configured properly in a Jenkins. So first of all, we start the Jenkins. This is Jenkins folder. Okay, this is Jenkins folder. You know that one. So open CMD. Better to open with the run as an administrator. If you like, you can do it PowerShell also, no problem. Actually, in Jenkins, we have so many things. Java space -jar Jenkins that where hyphen. Always I use different port number, 1990 port number only. If you don't give port number also no problem. This part is not. If you don't give also no problem. Okay. All right. Why it is taking time? So it will load it from there. Okay. So it will take time. Last time that building not properly done. Why? Because of I given in a wrong place commands only. So I have to give in a different place. So because of that mixing, it throwing errors. Now I'm checking that is working good. So it's not showing full up and running. It will take time. It is loading all the plugins and all. So meantime, you will open the browser. So I will show you that one. What is the mistake in that one, and then we'll see. So local 1990. We started just initiation, loading a plugins. Once it is showing a full up and running, automatically this site will be connected and login purpose. So here again, so we'll go to what we practice in DevOps. That is again we'll see. So we tools we use. One is Git, and also we use GitHub, and how to use the Git and how to put it in the GitHub. We know that one. What we know, what we practice, that is very important. So lot of tools are there, but all tools we are not practicing, right? So what we practice, that is only first in interview they ask what do you know about DevOps tools, what tools you know Git and how to do deal with the Git and the Git commands, cloning, initialization, adding, status, remote, push, pull. These things we done in a Git. Okay. Next, we done in a Jenkins. We'll go to the Jenkins. How to deal with the Jenkins, how to create a project, how to add a project, kind of stuff. Next, Maven. Maven is a build tool, build and test tool. So how to download a tool and how to give the commands. The commands are MVN commands only. MVN clean, MVN build, MVN test, like that. Okay. So next we'll see the Docker, how to install a Docker, what is image, what is container. Mainly that thing is important. So we'll see that. Of course, there is a two more things are there, and because of we don't have a time and morning, I discuss with your interview and all scolding kind of stuff. But there is a two things are there. Jenkins file. So Jenkins file use it for a pipeline purpose. Jenkins pipeline. Next one is Docker file. Docker file use it to create a Docker images. Okay, so that is the purpose. Okay. Um, Jenkins pipeline project is also available in my previous videos. So then you can go to video session. So go to last year, sorry, last batch. Okay, last year I given, but that is a different one. This is last year one, right? So last month one. So 1 month back. This is downstream project, and this is pipeline, and pipeline with Marvin. So one, two, three. These three things you can use. Okay, these three things. This is for Docker. Is it started all plugins only showing? The pipelining downstream and upstream is also very good. Maybe maybe not only now, but in future also, when you do project kind of stuff, you should understand what is the pipelining and downstream upstream projects. Okay, and another one is, yeah, Jenkins is full and up and running. Okay. So this is will give you login now till your completion of your Jenkins things. You should not close this one, or you should not touch this one. Better not to touch it. If you want touch it, just put enter only. That's not more than that one. Here it is, our project, demo Maven project one. Of course, it won't execute the commands or thing in your one. So I will open NetBeans. So I'm going to configure the yesterday project to learn anything. Just try and try and try, then you will learn it. I click on configure. It is still loading. It will take time. This is one of my previous project. No, I didn't upload anything. Just I created it. To see 2 years back or 3 years back projects. Then only I will. Maybe this will work. I didn't upload anything. Or they removed it. They don't remove it. Right? It's okay. So this is our latest project. This is also my Maven demo project. So this is our latest project. So yesterday project it is. It take a lot of time. So you can see the file location like this. They are given direct folder location, and this is our file location. So if you click on file, you can see the code, what code we written inside. Because of this package information, it is unable to locate this package part. Okay. Of course, see, this is our last project. Okay, so git location is correct. Okay, next build environment and pre-step. In a pre-step, here you can see pre-step nothing. It is a build is showing here. It is see build form.exe clean. So that part is working. Next, here is one more part is there. So what I done earlier, I went to advanced and I given some commands there. Then I removed entirely. Entire whatever I given here, I removed it. Okay, I removed it. I didn't do anything. Just I removed all the settings, and then I went to this place. I'm closing it, so you can see add post build kind of stuff, and then only this one. So that advanced part is I removed. Like just I went there. So version I selected. and then just I click on this one. Okay, I put I started key giving already clean is given here. Okay, already clean is given here. Okay, so then I will go compile clean install, like that. You can give clean install clean package. Clean means it will remove the existing one, and you will do it. And of course there's a lot of different commands are there to dependency tree, version, or anything. Can put lot of commands are there. Save it. I'm not doing a post build now. Build now. Just if you go to console output, because of last build is successful, it is showing directly this blue color. Now it is downloaded from Git, so it's cloned from the Git automatically. Now it is started actually. Now it is. So earlier last part what I be done, that is showing only this part is not working. Now it is started cleaning. Now it is going for a compile. After compiling cleaning, like this. So automatically, where is the this one? Okay, it is finally built successful. And here after install, you can see this file is created. Jar file is created. If you take this jar file and you want to execute, it may not work, but no test to run, no source to compile, because it's already done. Okay. If you want that file, then you can go to this one. So users, admin, Jenkins, workspace. Okay. This is the thing. After install, it is happen. If you want to run this one, or you want to run with the Java command, or you want to run directly like this one, but you won't get an output because the package information and the internally how to give the source information and all, it's not there, which is not at all opening. Right. So for sample, I want to tell you like uh, what is a continuous build kind of stuff. So we'll see. It's the same project, same settings, same location of the git, same thing only. Okay. I think you have to test the world one also. If you want, you can take Marvin. This is a pom.xml. So here given what is the Maven and our group ID, artifacts ID, and version, jar file, and our Java version. And like that, we can add other things also here. Depends upon your project, build project. Like it is showing jar, you can change it to var also. If you change it to var and it is converted to var, means the package .jar file can instead of .jar, it will create var. Now I'm adding a code, so I'm adding extra code to my existing one. So save it. Now already Git is connected, so just because changes occur, so I have to go to Git first, add the change. Git adds completed, finished. Then go to commit. So you can put second commit. Then you have to go to remote, push. Okay, same thing. This one. Username is same. It forget my password. It is finished. Now I'm going to here. Just refresh. See, this is a code as updated. Now continuous development and continuous building or continuous integration. Again, build now. I'm not changing anything. Just same thing only. Just click on build now. So I already given a Maven account, right? So it's a Maven project only. So it is due from the starting again. It's a new build. New version is releasing now. New building. So initially one we deploy one done. Now it is the second one. So I didn't done a test. Only I given a compile, install, package only. So I have to give test also. Build success. Finish success. We can't see any output here anyway. Okay. Output kind of stuff is not there because build wise it is a package wise is there. If no package wise, then we don't get value. So the package dealing also we should know how to put a command to know run the package kind of stuff. I tried it, but it's not working. Okay, guys, this is the problem I solved, and this is continuous doing. Okay, no, no, okay, it's okay, no problem. Okay, this is main important is here. We should know more about what we are doing, so then that's why it is. I got a error, so by mistake I given a configuration in the advanced mode. Okay, just I changed it and I got it. That's it. Remaining are okay. So this source location is good. Okay, build triggers are good. Okay, build environment, and this is only I given a clean. I can give other things also, and I went to advanced. That is what happened in a mistake. It is not understanding, and I don't understand. That's why I given wrong. Then I added extra after post steps. If build is successful, then build this one. So one by one I given Marvin 3, and I given one by one comments. Of course, you have to give clean test like this. Also, I can give. Instead of giving clean, also you can give directly also. So I'm changing. So we'll see. One more build we will see last. Okay, so that is what difference. Which is showing starting only blue color. Why? Because of last build is successful. If last build is failure, then it is show red color starting. But you have to wait till it is completed. Now you want to deploy. So where to deploy? So deploy into a particular PC, deploy into particular PC, or deploy into a Docker for testing purpose, like how it is deployment is working, or deploy into a particular PC using a tools like HF, Puppet, or a thing. So you have to tell. So where to deploy also. Okay, this is about your Maven.